All right, you're back with Steve from Tricked Out Cycles, and I have a personal love for older Gsxrs. I have my 87 Gsxr 1100 here, and I just acquired an 89, actually a 90 Gsxr 1100, which was in pretty good shape, but I like them perfect. Now, my 87 was pretty much flawless. I did some upgrades that were error correct for it. And this bike is pretty much all stock too, but there's some flaws in the paint that we'll go over. And so we're gonna show you how we can take a bike that is pretty daggone perfect, over 30 some years old, and we're gonna make it look brand new again. So we're gonna pull in the back, we're gonna go around the bike and show you the things that time, age, and previous owners have done to the bike. And we're gonna show you how we're gonna restore this bike and get it back to the original condition, looking perfect. So stay tuned. We'll do a walk around, keep you all posted. But if you have a bike, tell us what you think. Should we touch it? Should we leave it alone like it is, patine? Should we make it perfect again? I'd like to hear what you think. I want to make it perfect. I want to put it back to the original looking style, original decals, but tell me what you think. And if you have an 80s or 90s Gsxrs, tag us up. We'd love to see the condition of your bike, the modifications you've done to your bike. You know, we've done big tire kits, all kinds of crazy stuff to bikes for the years, but I like my classics original as possible. So keep watching, stay tuned, and we're gonna go through this process step by step. And remember, get tricked out for all your motorcycle needs. All right, we got the bike outside, and it's gonna go around and just show you some of the things on this bike that are not correct that we want to correct. First of all, we got a cracked upper. The mirror looks like crap. I don't know what somebody did, but this should be a silver sticker. It looks like they spray tinted something over the finish. The other mirror's a little rough as well. And if you look at this bike, it's not actually black. It actually has blue metallic flake in it, how Suzuki does on a lot of years. Crack right there by the windshield screw. No good. And here's a crazy one. Guy brings me the bike when he sold it to me. Armor all tires. What? Like, are you kidding me? Death trap right there. And we are going to be taking off these chrome wheels, putting on the factory wheels. Looks like we got some fork seal, got some moisture on the bottom of the fork leg, so we're going to rebuild them. Take that strap off. Definitely needs fork seals. You can see them leaking up in there. But, you know, got a crappy grip. Same thing with the sides. Like, look at that. You know, this bike is from 1990. It's made it pretty good, but oh, these little defects in paint. And like I said, it's like they clear coated. Looks like they tried to fix the pinstripe with a Sharpie there. That's nice. There's a little fairing screw down there. But what I really like about it, it's unmolested. Nobody tried to polish the frame from back in the day. I do have some 40mm flat slides on there, Makunis, which is a nice upgrade. Yeah, got some rigging going on in here. Got a rotor bolt, got this little doohickey, unbelievable, a little unsafe there. Overall, the back's pretty good, but like I said, there's something sprayed over the whole bike. A little wear mark from somebody clips their helmet on and wants to ride the bike. Back tire, armor all up, boy, unbelievable. So obviously that's all going. But you can see it's a pretty solid bike. I mean, it's all there from 1990. God, I dreamed about these bikes back in the day when they came out with the PM chicane wheels on there, fully polished. This is a bike I would kill for. That in my 86, 87, 88, I've had all the first gen Suzukis, but these are a bike that have a soft spot in my heart. So I am gonna make this bike perfect again. So we're gonna get it inside, we're gonna disassemble it. We'll do the mechanics and have our painter go ahead and get all the decals, strip this down, get a solid base coat of the original Suzuki paint on there. We have the original decals on order from Europe, so we'll get them on. And try to get this thing looking better than it actually looks here. This does look good in a digital picture, but in person I could just pick it apart. So stay tuned, watch the process.
Gsxr Something better to get rid of the next bully. It's actually better, cause instead of do murdering, you can hurt him and come back. Again and kick dirt on him, it's like pouring salt in the wounds. The soul gets sued. You can smell the lawsuit soon as I walk in the room. Everybody halts and stops, calls the cops. While you see his bitches coming out their halls to tops, running and ducking out the hot rocks parking lot. You'll all get shot, whether it's your fault or not. Cause I'm a soldier. These shoulders hold up so much they won't budge. I'm a soldier. Everything you say to me takes me one step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. I need a little room to break, cause I'm one step closer to the edge. I'm about to break. Everything you say to me takes me one step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. I need a little room to break, cause I'm one step closer to the edge, and I'm about to spit it slow so these kids know that I'm talking to them. Give it back to these damn critics inside.
Okay, so the bike's apart. We have the pieces all laid out. We've identified several areas with minor rash. A little bit of repairs will be needed, such as this spot here on the right lower. And you can see how up and close you can see the worn defects, the aging. The paint has seen much better days. There was something definitely sprayed over top of the bike. And there she is. So we're gonna complete this. Keep watching.